We begin with the topic. This is a logarithms question. This is a past examination question from the West African exams. Here is the instruction for the problem. This is the equation we will solve. Take a moment to read it carefully. First, recall the power law. A coefficient in front of a log becomes an exponent. Apply the power law to 3 log base 10 of 2. The 3 becomes an exponent. Now, apply the same power law to 2 log base 10 of 3. Rewrite the original equation using those power changes on the left side. Next, simplify the powers. 2 cubed is 8. Three squared is 9. Replace the powers with their simplified values. We now rewrite the number 1 as a logarithm. 1 is log base 10 of 10. Substitute that into the right side of the equation. Here is the quotient law. Subtracting logs means dividing their arguments. Apply the quotient law to the left side. Now recall the product law. Adding logs means multiplying the arguments. Apply the product law to the right side. Now both sides are single logarithms with the same base. Move the right logarithm to the left so we can use the zero form method. use the quotient log n to combine the two logs. Combine the logs into a single logarithm of a fraction. This is the same as dividing the fractions. Now, we remove the logarithm using the definition of a log. So the argument equals 10 to the 0 power. Ten to the 0 is 1. If this explanation is helping you, consider subscribing.